Hello, Tanya Bruce here from VetStaff, coming to you live from the Bombay Hills here in New Zealand. We have a new exciting role for a vet nurse with at least 2 years of experience with one of our clients in the Otago region. If you are great with both teamwork and solo tasks, proactive and engaged with all clinic aspects, you're dedicated to exceptional client and patient care, you have strong interpersonal and communication skills, you're motivated to grow and learn, you're warm, empathetic, and positive, then this could be the role for you. Pay ranges from $28 to $32 per hour, depending, of course, on your experience. Now, this job is a permanent role, so 40 hours a week within clinic opening hours, which are 8 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tuesday and Thursday, and rostered Saturday mornings, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. This clinic is mission driven, focused on empowering pet parents with a strong commitment to your professional growth and development. It offers a supportive team environment that values work-life balance to ensure a fulfilling and balanced career for you. Now, if this sounds like you, my contact details will be displayed after this video, and I look forward to chatting with you.